friend of mine, Mary, in Montreal is a real foodie, so I challenged her. I sent her a couple of boxes of Blink tea to see what she could come up with, and she's come up with something really, really good. She made a jam using using quince and Blink's elderberry hibiscus tea, and she's made a jelly using pink champagne currant and organic sakura rose tea. So now's the time to taste them. This is my favorite kind of unboxing. So first up is the elderberry hibiscus tea and quince with a little bit of cheddar on top. Oh, that's so lovely. The sweet tart of the elderberry and the slight savoriness of the quince really go well, and being offset with the cheddar cheese. Mary suggests that this would also work as a spread on a chicken, avocado, and bacon sandwich. Could you imagine just a little bit of it slathered on the top? Next up, Mary's pink champagne currant and organic sakura rose tea jelly. Now, Mary suggests popping this onto a scone or onto a croissant. Oh, that's lovely. The pink champagne currant and the organic sakura rose gives it just a little bit of a tang. I could really imagine this on a croissant. This would be fabulous. I could probably eat them all day. Both absolutely excellent, tasty, tasty, tasty efforts. The only criticism that I have for either one of these efforts is that the jars are way too small.